The Parrot and the Tree. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. This story teaches us kindness means caring about other people. When we are kind, we do things for others. We are helpful to people, to plants, and to animals. Children, let's enjoy the story. In a forest, there lived a parrot. The forest was full of trees and flowers of every kind. There were pretty flowers everywhere. Birds flew about and sang happily. A river flowed through the forest. One day, the Lord of the Heavens came to the forest. He rested for a while under the shade of a tree by the river. The songs of the birds and the sound of the water made him happy. Suddenly, he noticed the parrot. It was sitting and singing all by itself on a dying mango tree. The Lord of the Heavens was surprised. "Little friend, why did you sit and sing on a tree that is dying?" he asked. "There are so many healthy and beautiful trees in this forest." The parrot stopped singing and said softly, "Oh Lord, this was once the most beautiful tree in the forest. It was on this tree that my mother built a home. It was here that she raised me. It was from these branches that I learned how to fly. Last week, a woodcutter came and cut off all its branches. Now this tree is dying. How can I leave it and go away?" The Lord of the Heavens was very happy with the parrot's reply. "Dear little bird," he said, "you have a kind and loving heart. Is there anything I can do for you?" "Lord," said the parrot immediately, "please make this tree well again. Let it live." The Lord of the Heavens touched the tree, and it became young and green again. Leaves grew out of its fresh new branches. It was once more the most beautiful tree in the forest. The parrot was very, very happy. It sang song after song to thank the great Lord. See, children, how kind the parrot is. It remembered how the tree had sheltered its mother and itself when it was a baby bird. When the tree is in trouble, it did not desert the dying tree. It felt sorry for the tree and decided to help the dying tree. Instead of asking something for itself, the parrot asked the Lord of Heavens to save the tree. So, children, do remember, never ever forget the one who helped you when they are in trouble. Thank you. Children, tell yourself every day, I will be kind and helpful. I will be kind to plants and animals. And do something nice for someone every day. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.